got our poster and we decided to make rock candy. For our background, sugar crystals in a granulated sugar display a monoclinic form, but you can see the shape much better in homegrown large crystals. Making rock candy isn't very difficult. The candy that you make is edible and you can color it also. To change the different colors, you have to use different types of sugars. If you would like to flavor it, you can use things like mint, cinnamon, lemon, and squeeze the juices from a lemon, orange, or lime. For our problem, we said, what 3 different types of sugars can we use to make rock candy? And what will they look like and taste like? For our hypothesis, we stated if we use 3 different types of sugars, then they will each come out to be different shapes, colors, and flavors. And we went about this by, for our procedure, we said, for number 1, pour the sugar and water into a pan. Number 2, heat the mixture to a boil, stirring constantly. Let the mixture come to a boil. Number 3, stir the solution until the sugar is dissolved. Number 4, add food coloring or flavoring to the solution if desired. Number 5, set the pot of syrup in the refrigerator to cool. The liquid needs to be about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 6, while it's cooling, prepare your string. Tie the string to a pencil or knife, and now hang the pencil or knife across the jar opening. Let the string hang in the jar. Number 7, tie a lightsaber to the bottom and weigh the string down. Number 8, now dampen the string with a little of the syrup and dip the string in the sugar. Number 9, once your solution is cooled, pour it into the clean jar, suspend the string in the liquid. And number 10, check on your crystals every once in a while. Let them grow for 3 to 7 days.
For our materials, we use 1 cup of water, 3 clean glass jars, cotton string, pencil or knife, we used a pencil, food coloring, a ½ teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of flavoring, lifesaver candy, a pan, you have to have a stove, paper towels, and coffee filters. For limitations, we had the amount of sugar, amount of water, measuring utensils used, temperature, resources, amount of food coloring, and amount of flavoring. In our conclusion, we followed every step that our procedure told us to, and our experiment turned out alright. The rock candy wasn't exactly what we would have liked, but it worked. I think there was one thing we needed to do differently. It was we should have added more flavoring to the solution, and then it would have tasted a lot better. In the end, we are very happy with the way our experiment went.
For our analysis, we said that our data followed our hypothesis very closely. The hypothesis stated if we use 3 different types of sugars, then they will each come out to be different shapes, colors, and sizes. We used granulated sugar, brown sugar, and powdered sugar for our experiment. The granulated sugar was blue and tasted like lemons and looked like crystals. The brown sugar was red, tasted like sugar, and looked kind of goopy. The powdered sugar was green, tasted like sugar, and was gooey looking. And each rock candy was close to what we expected, but not exactly what we were looking for.
And the 5 chemistry concepts. The first one was solvent. Our sugar dissolved in the water to become a solvent. Our second one was physical change. The liquid solution formed a solid crystal. 3, dissolving by heating the sugar and water solution. The sugar dissolved faster. Number 4, nucleation. The solute molecules in the solvent start to gather into clusters. And number 5, crystallization processes of formation of solid crystal from a solution. We also had our data and our resources.